So I discovered this flaw while I was taking notes, and what the flaw is you can't add a page that's already been created to an outline that's been created. That sounds a little bit confusing, but let me go ahead and open up the app and kind of show you what I'm talking about. So, okay, ignore my handwriting in that. Let's say I want to make an outline, right? I want to make an outline, add a page to an outline. So using this page as an example, I'm gonna hit add this page to outline, and I'm gonna make up a random one. I'm gonna call it test. Hit add, right? All right. Now I do have another page inside of this notebook. So we're gonna hit that right there, hit outlines and test. There it goes right there. But let's say I wanted to add another page that's already in this notebook to that outline as well. So for instance, let's say I want to add this page right here. Now, I click right here and you see this option right here that says add this page to outline. If you hit it, usually what I was expecting was a list to appear of like the outlines that's already been created and an option to create a new outline. But the only option you get right now is just to create an outline. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Let's say, just to give you an example. So what did I name the other one? I named it test. Okay, so test, hit add, right? Pull up this. Now we have two outlines for each individual page. Now that I wish there was a better way to do this. Another way you can add an outline, add a page to an outline is by hitting this down arrow up on the page you want to add to it. Now, if you hit add page to outline again, once again, it gives you the option only to create a new outline, not to add to one that's already been created, which it might not seem like a big deal, but when you're using this app to study and stuff and to get organized, and it's really inconvenient at the same time. So I did find a hack around this. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit this. Pull up thumbnails, and let's say I wanted to add this page to this outline. What I can do, hit this down arrow and hit, oh wait, not that. So open up the page, go over here, hit copy page. Then go over here and go to your outline. Let's say the one that I created called test, and then a new page to it, and then you hit paste page, and boom, you now have that page inside of your outline. So there is a way to do this. I expected with all these other amazing features on the app that this wouldn't have been overlooked, but it's just a small thing. Hopefully they can fix this in the update. Now, two ways I think they should fix this is one, when I go over here and I hit add this page to outline, there should be another list popping up with the outlines already created that I could just add it to it. Or I can go over here, click on my thumbnails tab right here. When I go to manage outline, add page to outline, it should also let me pick a page that I want to add to the outline. Or this would be one of the coolest and easiest features ever, is to take it and drag it inside of this little tab right up under this page where the outline is. Now that would be preferable, definitely, but those are just my solutions on how to do this. But it's not that big of a deal because I did find a hack around it, which is excellent. So GoodNotes, if you're seeing this, I hope in the next update you fix this so we can use it more efficient, be more organized, and just do things a lot faster. But other than that, the app is still amazing. That's just one inconvenience that I've noticed right off the bat. Well, not right off the bat, but after 2 days of using it, because I used it pretty heavily today. But yeah, so that's all I got for this video. Stay tuned for another one. If you got any ideas, any apps that you want me to review, once again, just leave a comment down. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. If you got any If you got any apps that you want me to review or look at that you think about downloading, but you're really not too sure, just leave a comment down below and I'll check out the apps. And we can see what they got going on, see the features, see what's so great about it, see what's so bad about it. And, you know, just explore the app together. So catch you guys later. Stay tuned for another video.